AI will replace teachers. Um, I don't know what you're thinking. It will AI really replace teachers? And this is something that all right, someone is already saying no. Well, this is up for debate,
Hmm.
and quite a lot of us will be thinking in different directions. I know that this is one of the
Exactly.
biggest of teachers. The fear is that AI has come, it's taking over our work. If AI can do it,
Mm,
then what are we going to be doing? The creative,
mm,
what's his name now? Jimmy was speaking and he was talking about creative. And if AI is doing the designing, if AI is doing all of the work, is it going to replace us? Is it going to replace the human touch? What is going to be happening as we go ahead? So, because of time, I would have loved to hear your thoughts, maybe in the chat, but let me run through it and then we can now hold a conversation at the very end. In my
all right.
thinking,
That is
AI,
related.
in my
You,
thinking,
you,
AI will not replace teachers, but teachers who teach effectively with AI will likely replace those who cannot.
Mm,
So
yes.
think about that a little bit. AI will not replace you in what you do because you are the human. And like Mr. Adebayo or GPT was speaking, the truth of the matter is that AI is just an accumulation of our different thinkings for those who have been existing for all the years, content that have been uploaded on the internet. But truth be told, if you know how to leverage the uses and the maximum benefits of AI this day, likelihood is that you are going to replace those who cannot. Now, the danger is not because AI is intelligent, really. The problem is when we
mm,
as humans stop being intelligent. Yeah,
exactly.
AI is artificial intelligence, so it looks like it's intelligent, but in real fact, it doesn't have its own intelligence of its own. It only
Yes,
aggregates all of our own intelligence. But
exactly.
that's not where the danger really lies. The real danger, which I will be showing as we go ahead, is when we stop thinking, when we stop um, being intelligent, when we stop putting our thoughts. And we've said that all as we began this conversation
Mhm.
today.